I-75 to Chattanooga, and then I-24 down into Atlanta, and then I-20 toward Charlotte.
Turn right.
Here we go. Hey, the brakes work. It's good to know. It's like flying a spaceship. Buttons and lights and electronic signs, things whirring and hissing and growling. Holy smokes. Oh, stuff falling down. Oh, we call it the Millennium Falcon.
Welcome to the Joy of Trucking. We are out on the first morning in our new 2024 Kenworth T680. We're going to let you listen to the sound of the engine as we head along this smooth highway. Then it's going to start raining very badly and we're going to see a lot of accidents, but we will, or will we, make it in time for our live unload. So stick around. Remember, hit that like button at any point in time. That really helps the algorithm. And if you are so inclined and you want to support the channel, you can buy us a coffee with the link below in the description or the pinned comment. And of course, if you decide to drive for CRETE, please do remember to give them our referral code, SLOKEV, S-L-O-K-E-V. Okay, now buckle up and please, everybody, remember to drive safely and according to the conditions. Let's go. Chugging, it's quiet.
Many rigs had road noise, like not so much the tires and stuff, but wind. And I think it's because we had a window in the bunk, and that let more wind noise in, you know, interfered with the insulation or something. And the Freightliner, it was quieter than Kenny Rigs, but this thing's even more so.
Yeah, I had a lot of sound still coming on the side by my window, whistling wind.
Your windows were noisy.
Yeah.
And if it was windy, it would whistle around these wings here, whatever you call them. It would whistle. If I cracked the window open, it'd be all steady all day. This is pretty tight, man.
Yeah, nice soundproofing.
You can hear me whisper, can't you?
What?
We got a little window fogging situation here. Let's see how that works. Right here. Got a window vent right here on the side. Whoosh. This is much better. This is up where I can see it instead of way over here. This is out of the way now, so I can see the radio, the dials, and the switches.
Yeah, he just bought that at the Loves. I bought a coffee.
It gives us a cup holder.
I bought a coffee.
Now we got a cup holder.
And Kevin bought a gadget.
I got a phone mount for the vent. I couldn't use that on the Freightliner because their vents are vertical, so it wouldn't hold there very well. This works very good.
And most of it you paid for with points.
Yep, didn't have enough to cover the whole thing, but about half of it.
$30.
$30 for the phone vent.
And $20 with points.
of coffee.
That cost you dearly.
Yes.
The coffee was, yeah.
I don't even drink coffee.
But you stay hydrated. Tea. Oh.
Now I can have it right here instead of the door. Now we need a place for our veggies. So Freightliner had a big flat area here on the dash so we could put things there. It doesn't really work the same the way they've done it. What? Oh, put it in the ditch sideways. forklift guy going to his truck.
Uh-oh.
Go home.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Driver check-in, shipping, receiving right up there.
Oh, Jesus. See that? The gate was about to close on us. I think I made it in here. Didn't know it was closing.
And time?
1:47.
Wow. For a 2 o'clock live unload. And my
close.
God, we ran into a lot of challenges along the way.
Yep.
But you made it, honey. Good trip planning.
Even better execution.
Yep.
Form arrived, so it's documented. We made it on time. And now,
New location for the old box.
the board. I need my pen. I need my notebook.
And off you go.
I'll leave the key in it.
Sure. Bye-bye.
Stay with the truck.
Oh, yeah. I'll guard the truck.
Okay.
Nice new truck.
As I was walking down the parking lot, a pretty lady came to me and said, go down to the other shipping office down there. We have two. Go to that one. This one's closed.
Oh. And off she went.
Off she went. Here I go.
Thanks for joining us today. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Put your comments and questions below. And hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to keep traveling with us, discovering the roads of America and learning about trucking. All right, have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. With love from Kevin and Tanya and the new Kenworth. Bye.